I had done weddings in Europe. I had done weddings internationally before, but the workshop experience and having an artist like Darcy put together a team of artists in the most beautiful place in the world was beyond, as an artist, beyond soul-filling, and just the only way to experience it, in my opinion. I've done other weddings. I've shot in Paris. I did my own workshop in Paris. To take the responsibility of dealing with Paris out of it and just to be present and to shoot, to be an artist in Paris, was an incredible gift that I would wish, I'm crying, would wish for any artist. And that, I mean, that's something I would never give myself permission to do as an artist. I would never give myself permission to spend that kind of money to go to Paris to shoot pictures, take pictures. And it was beautiful. And it was more than I could have ever done on my own anyway. And I think that for anyone, that's why you do a workshop. You know, you think you're doing it for education, you think you're doing it for networking and stuff, but to have a team of resources where you all pitch in to pay for this, a shoot that you couldn't afford on your own, that your clients can't even afford on their own, at this point, it's why you do it, so that the next level of clients see that you could do it. Or that's how it felt to me. Felt like I was shooting a dream.